Okay, today I just want to show you why I pick up, why I joined the franchise Prestasi. Okay, now I go to the website, Prestasi website. I go to the home page and you see Prestasi dah 20 tahun dalam publishing company. And you see the books, all the educational books. And I'm so proud to see that my books is with Prestasi, you see. And that is my first ebook, and now it's at Prestasi, and is supplied to all over Malaysia. And when you go to the catalog, you can also see my book is there also. Okay, so what you do when you click my book here, you can go to the website and then you can buy. And you see it's well displayed, and you can preview the book, and you can buy at this Prestasi website. So thank you very much for watching this video, and hope you support me and get the book and enjoy reading. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye. Yeah.